Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the dispenser water supply line in your refrigerator, be sure to unplug the power cord. Depress the water filter cover to release it, then rotate the filter counterclockwise to remove. Using a 1/4-inch socket or nut driver, unthread the 2 screws securing the water reservoir access panel. Pull the panel down, using a flathead screwdriver to help detach the mounting posts. Disconnect the LED light wire connector and set the panel aside. You can use a small flathead screwdriver to pry off the waterline retainer. Depress the retaining ring to release the dispenser water supply line from the valve port. Next, unthread the Phillips head screw to release the left top hinge cover. Lift up the clasp and detach the dispenser water line. You can now pull the old supply line out. Install the new dispenser water supply line by feeding the appropriate end through the channel on the top of the appliance. Attach the opposite end to the dispenser water line. Then reinstall the hinge cover. Insert the new water line into the valve port until fully seated. Snap the water line retainer into place. Reinstall the water reservoir access panel by first connecting the LED light wire connector. Insert the 3 tabs at the back into the slots, then snap the mounting posts into place. Rethread the screws. Reinstall the water filter and close the cover. Plug the power cord back in, and your refrigerator should be ready for use.